Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2016 Ram 1500 Sport. Under the hood sits a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine that produces 395 horsepower and 410 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are black painted 20-inch aluminum wheels and heated power folding mirrors with integrated turn signals. As well, we have keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as a tonneau cover and our LED taillights. This Ram has a towing capacity up to 10,160 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have our automatic headlight controls, as well as a power sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats. This Ram is also equipped with a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. We also have push-button start, as well as an Alpine sound system. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped for your comfort are dual-zone climate controls, and on the vehicle's key fob we have a remote start and entry buttons. And moving to the back of the vehicle, we have a 60-40 split folding rear bench seat and in-floor storage compartments.